Hi, hello, good evening, my pretty, lovely, and gorgeous ladies. How are you doing, all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. Stay fit, stay healthy. And I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful summer collection, khadis, gadwas. Everything is in cotton. Let's start with the mannequin. And the sari which I am wearing is lovely mustard, pure khadi cotton with pure zari. This is pure zari. All over polka booties with zari and meenakari. And lovely kaddi border, golden kaddi border with temples. And this is the pallu. Pure zari and idanta kaddi pallu. And blouse vachesi self plain blouse with border vastundi. And ee sari pricing and details 22,680. Take a screenshot along with the code D587. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very pretty sari, or else you can team up like this beautiful blouses. This blouse is from our brand, Offer Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another sari. It's a beautiful patola, but it's cotton, complete ikat weave, patola weave, very pretty elephants, just dotted ikat booties, beautiful plan booties border. Very lovely grey. It's a navy blue and grey mixed combo only. And this is the pallu, stripes with plan booties border and plain stripes. Blouse plain, self color plain with border. And a beautiful sari, pricing and details 4,680. Even pure khadis with patola design, patola weave. Another sari. Beige color. Lovely khadi with printed florals, butterflies, leaves, border, contrast plain with temples, pallu, thread lines, red color lines, blouse, self plain blouse with border. You can go for a contrast red color blouse like this color blouse, even that looks amazing on this. And ee sari, pricing and details 4,410. Take a screenshot along with the code Q166. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very pretty. Another sari. and follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. అలాగే యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా మా ఛానల్ బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notified. And this saree, which is in peacock blue, dual tone, very lovely plain saree with lovely border, silk border. It's a pattu border with temples, and this is the beautiful pallu with tree booty and lovely florals, butterflies, which is in Jamdani style. Very lovely. And blouse, self plain blouse with border. And these saree pricing and details, 10,980. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2376. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very pretty khadi. Another saree. Beautiful red khadi, plain, and the border is silk with thread border, thread weave and temples. This is the pallu, zari kaddi pallu with temples. Blouse, we got contrast blouse for this, pink color with border, pink or a dual tone. And these saree pricing and details, 7,830. Take a screenshot along with the code L240. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very beautiful. So anyhow, summer kabatti ilanti sarees chaala comfortable untayi. Edaina occasions unte ilanti sarees kattukoni velina kuda chaala hundaga decent ga untundandi. It's not simple cottons, these are exclusive khadi cottons with Jamdani weave, and we have gadwals also, cotton gadwals. I'll be showing later on. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option, and for customized blouses do contact our brand Afa Rupa Mani, another brand from Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for their unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Our designing team will help you with the best designs. Next saree, yeah, lovely mint green with a pink combination, very lovely. Saree is completely plain and the border beautiful silk border, pink color with zari lines and kaddi border and with temples, long and short temples. And this is the pallu, kaddi pallu. Blouse, contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details, 21,878. Take a screenshot along with the code L239. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, lovely light grey color khadi saree, pure khadi with pink combination, pink silk border with temple, and this is the pallu, complete Jamdani weave, florals and honeybees here, అక్కడక్కడ గోల్డ్ అండ్ సిల్వర్ టచ్ వచ్చింది అండ్ ఎండెడ్ అప్ విత్ కడ్డీ బార్డర్. Blouse, self plain with border, running blouse we can say, but you can go for contrast pink color raw silk blouse. Even that looks amazing on this. And ee saree pricing and details 10,710. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ946. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next I'll be showing Gadwal cotton. Beautiful Gadwal cotton in white color, white and blue. Very pretty all over. Very pretty fishes with leaves and florals. Everything is painted, hand painted. Such a pretty paint only. And the border is silk contrast border with florals and cross cutting. And this is the rich pallu. Very pretty blouse. Lovely pallu with kadi lines, zari lines. Contrast pallu only. And this is the blouse, running blouse. And the saree pricing and details 12,150. It's a pure Gadwal cotton khadi. $12,150 అండి. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ. సిల్క్ బార్డర్ వస్తుంది, పట్టు బార్డర్. అండ్ ఇది సారీ లవ్లీ మెరూన్ కలర్, మెరూన్ విత్ గ్రీన్ అండ్ క్లీన్ సారీ. బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి సిల్క్ బార్డర్ విత్ టెంపుల్స్ అండ్ థ్రెడ్ వీవ్ డైమండ్స్ అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కడ్డీ పల్లు. Blouse, contrast, plain with border. And ee saree pricing and details 9,270. Take a screenshot along with the code L246. Send us on 733 733 7000. చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది. అనదర్ సారీ. వావ్, వెరీ లవ్లీ సారీ. It's a khadi cotton with zari checks and printed florals. Border contrast, just half inch zari and half inch contrast. And lovely pallu, plain contrast pallu ended up with kaddi border. Blouse, contrast with zari lines and border. And each saree pricing and details 7,199. Take a screenshot along with the code Q162. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Beautiful red pure khadi saree with a blue combination. Lovely border with temples and thread weave. Pallu, complete Jamdani florals, Jamdani style. Ended up with khadi border. Blouse, we got contrast blouse with border. And each saree pricing and details 20,116. 20,610 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code L242. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari. Yeah, very lovely design, patola weave. It's a cotton. All over heart-shaped cross curvy lines with heart-shaped booties. Completely design, and border is plan booties, plan border with lines. And this is the pallu. Very soft cotton, very soft. It's a patola cotton, as I told you before. And this is the blouse. Self plain with border. And each saree pricing and details 4,860. Take a screenshot along with the code P958. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari. Yeah. White. Pure white. Khadi with printed florals and silk border with temples, red color, contrast silk border, and pallu contrast with lines, thread lines. Blouse white plain with borders. And each saree pricing and details 5,580. Take a screenshot along with the code Q165. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. Ive kakunda, we have lots of collections. Do visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills, near Peddama Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. Let's see another sari. Lovely yellow color with a stunning black combination. Such a pretty sari. Plain. Sari is completely plain and the border is pure silk. Black color. Temples with a touch of pink lines. And this is the pallu. Upper side we got Jamdani weave. We got monkeys here. Wow, what a weave. See here we got peacock, butterflies. So lovely. Along with the kaddi pallu. This is the kaddi. Zari kaddi, rich. You can go for pink color blouse, you can go for black color blouse, even both looks amazing. We got a running blouse for this. Self plain with border. ఇలా కూడా బాగుంటుంది ఏదైనా మంచి కస్టమైజ్ చేసి ఏదైనా ప్యాటర్న్ కుట్టించుకుంటే. And for customized blouses, contact our brand Afa Rupamani, another brand from Grandmother. And each saree price 11,340. Take a screenshot along with the code H716. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Yeah, lovely patola cotton, which is in pink and green mixed kalnita shade lo undi. See, green and pink, both shades. Kalnita saree, dual tone, and beautiful border with plant booties all over ikat cross diamonds and florals, cross checks and florals. Beautiful plant border, and this is the pallu, plant border along with the white color border, plain. And we got contrast self running blouse, plain. Plain blouse. And each saree pricing and details 4,860. Take a screenshot along with the code Q164. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Another sari, light brown khadi sari with hand painted florals and beautiful silk border, red color, plain with temples. And this is the pallu, rich kaddi pallu. Blouse, running blouse, plain with border. And ee sari pricing and details. 12,600. Take a screenshot along with the code Q163. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari. And this is the grey sari, khadi, pure khadi, with silk border, mint green border, along with the kaddi and zari checks. Pallu, rich kaddi pallu. Blouse, we got contrast blouse with border. And ee sari pricing and details. 23,400. Take a screenshot along with the code L241. Send us on 733 733 7000. Patola cotton. Very pretty purple and pink combination. All over Patola cross lines and floral booties. And beautiful border contrast with diamonds and florals. Contrast pallu with stripes and diamonds. Blouse, yeah, we got beautiful contrast plain blouse with border. So lovely. Let's see the sari overall look once. The sari overall look chuseddam. 4,860 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code Q106. Send us on 733 733 7000. This sari overall look okkari chuseddam. Another sari, white khadi, beautiful half white. Downside we got complete jamdani weave, lotus and zari and stems, and this is the border, khadi border, rich kaddi border downside, and this is the pallu, rich kaddi pallu, and this is the plain self color blouse with border. You can go for any contrast color like purple, green or pink, anything, yellow. We got multicolor florals downside, so we can go for any color blouse. And ee sari pricing and details. 10,710. Take a screenshot along with the code Q102. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari, and before that, indaka nenu patola sari cheyinchanu kada, patola cotton. Let's have a quick look. Let's see another sari. lovely maroon color. With red border, thread weave, diamond brocade, and this is the pallu, zari lines. Blouse, running blouse with border. And the sari price, it's a khadi cotton, 4662 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code Q83. Send us on 733 733 7000. ఇందాక నేను వైట్ కలర్ సారీ చూపించాను కదా, అదొకసారి చూసేద్దాం. లక్ష్మి గారు, జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్ అండి. వెరీ ప్రిటీ సారీ, హాఫ్ వైట్, ప్యూర్ ఖాదీ. Now back to our collection. Beautiful green color, patola cotton, very soft and lovely. All over cross diamonds with florals. Border with peacock and parrot and elephant. Pallu with parrot and elephants along with the white color stripes. Blouse, self plain with border. And this saree pricing is very soft and lightweight ga undi asla, very comfortable, and 4860 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code P957. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another saree. Yeah, lovely khadi cotton, pink color, very pretty. Complete hand painted florals and leaves. Border, it's a silk border with temples, contrast, pattu border. Beautiful pallu, rich kaddi pallu. Blouse, you got contrast blouse with border. And the saree price 10,350. Take a screenshot along with the code 0109. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see this saree overall look once. Beautiful black patola cotton, very pretty. All over florals and diamonds. And beautiful geometric blocks border with lines, contrast lines, pink color. Pallu, diamonds, geometric lines, diamonds and stripes. Blouse, clean black with border. Wow, superb on this saree. You can go for this pink color or white color blouse also. And the saree pricing and details 4,860. Take a screenshot along with the code Q80. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely అండి, చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది. బ్లాక్ కలర్ awesome ఉంది సారీ. Let's see this beautiful pink color khadi saree. Let's look into another pretty sari. Very lovely. Half white and sea green combination. Then the complete printed florals. And downside we got Jamdani florals with stems, zari stems and Jamdani lotus. Kaddi border. Pallu, rich kaddi pallu. Blouse, half white, plain with border. And chala lovely ga undi. And ee saree price 12,600. Take a screenshot along with the code Q94. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see this saree overall look. Beautiful wine color saree, very pretty, patola cotton. Beautiful cross diamonds with plus booties and florals. And lovely border with heart shaped and diamond booties. Pallu, white and diamond border. Alternate. And we got a lovely self plain blouse with border. And e saree pricing and details 4,860. Take a screenshot along with the code Q109. Send us on 733 733 7000. ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదండి ఖాదీ సారీ విత్ హాఫ్ వైట్ అండ్ సీ గ్రీన్. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. Green color khadi sari with diamonds, half and half diamonds, half gold and half silver zari diamonds. Border contrast with zari lines. Pallu kaddi border, kaddi pallu. Blouse self plain with border and buttas. Running blouse I can say, and you can go for this pink color blouse. Pink Mangalagiri cotton gaani ala cottons to team up cheste chaala pretty ga untundi. And ee saree price 4,797. Take a screenshot along with the code D593. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another saree. Wow, very lovely lavender color, patola cotton all over, florals and diamonds, plain border, plain booties border with contrast lines, thread lines. And this is the pallu, plain border along with the white color stripes. Blouse self plain with border. Very pleasant shade and it's chala soft ga undi. And this saree price 4,860. Take a screenshot along with the code 956. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful. Another saree. White color. Lakshmi garu. ఈ సారీ అడిగారు కదా. It's a khadi andi with printed florals and lovely border, silk border, the pattu border andi with temples. And this is the pallu contrast. Chala classy ga untundi, and you can go for red color blouse also, but we got a running blouse for this. Self plain blouse with border. You can go for red color blouse. And these saree pricing and details 5,580. We got Ganga Jamuna border for it. Paina vaipu green color, downside red color. So anything you can wear. Hope you like this. If you like it, take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. And this beautiful saree, black beauty, black with orange color, pure khadi cotton, very lovely, and silk border with long and short temples, zari checks, and downside we got kaddi. Beautiful pallu with zari kaddi lines, rich kaddi pallu with side temples, and blouse is also contrast for this. We got contrast blouse. Yeah. Contrast blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details 23,400. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ5241. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Lovely pink and peach combination. You can say Kanakambaram color also. Very lovely with a combination of yellow. And upper side we got parrot green. Upper side we got parrot green silk border. And downside we got yellow color silk border with lines and zari kaddi with temples. And beautiful rich kaddi pallu. Blouse. Running blouse. You can go for any color and either you can go for parrot green or else either you can go for yellow color. Chala lovely ga undi. And ee saree pricing and details 23,670. Take a screenshot along with the code L245. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see this saree overall look. Another saree. Beautiful sea green. Printed florals. And mushrooms. And lovely border, silver kaddi border with temples and triangles, zigzag design. And this is the pallu contrast. It ended up with rich kaddi, silver kaddi here. Blouse, you got contrast with border. Saree price 6,390. Take a screenshot along with the code Q169. Send us on 733 733 7000. ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదండి లవ్లీ ఖాదీ. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. Let's see another saree. Beige color, beige and grey combination. All over printed florals. Complete hand painted florals with pretty butterflies, mustard color. and lovely contrast border with edge contrast, plain border, pallu, thread booties, florals and lines. You got a very beautiful blouse, cute blouse, self color, but we got booties for it. And this saree pricing and details. 5,940. Take a screenshot along with the code Q170. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see this saree overall look. Another saree, dark maroon, khadi saree, plain with original rich zari, pure zari border and this is the pallu, rich kaddi pallu, and we got a contrast blouse for this, red color with border. Chala pretty gone. And this saree price and details 13,500. Take a screenshot along with the code C429. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see this beautiful beige color saree, khadi saree. And ఇవే కాకుండా మీరు వేరే కలెక్షన్స్ కూడా చూడాలనుకుంటే we are giving video call facility also అండి. Just WhatsApp your convenient timings on 733 733 7000 నెంబర్కి. ఆ టైంలో మా కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ మీకు కాల్ చేస్తారు. సో మీకు ఏ కలెక్షన్ కావాలో వాళ్ళకి చెప్తే వాళ్ళు చూపిస్తారు. And from that also you can select your favorite saree and we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Let's see another saree. Lovely orange, pure khadi with purple combination, border, purple color with temples, blouse, self running blouse with border. And this saree price 4,527. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Under the saree, beautiful blue and mustard combination, pure khadi, plain saree with border, silk border with temples, and this is the rich kaddi pallu. And price of this saree 7,830. Take a screenshot along with the code Q86. Send us on 733 733 7000. And we got contrast blouse for this. Let's see another saree. It's a dual toned patola cotton, pink and blue wala shades వస్తున్నాయి, and all over cross lines, cross zigzag design with heart shape booties, diamonds and florals. Beautiful diamond and plant border with rich kaddi. Pallu, plan border and stripes, plain stripes. Blouse, self plain with border. And the saree pricing and details. $4,860. Take a screenshot along with the code Q167. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see this beautiful navy blue color saree, khadi saree. Wow, one more beautiful saree which is in green color. Beautiful khadi border, rich with temples, and this is the lovely pallu, so lovely, beautiful god. It's complete Jamdani weave, Lord Krishna, and this is the rich khadi pallu. Blouse, we got running blouse. You can go for orange color blouse, or else even this blouse looks amazing on this. See the blouse, chala pretty ga undi kada. And for customized blouses, contact our brand Afarupa Money, another brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. And this saree pricing and details, complete Jamdani weave, very pretty saree. Price is 11,340. Take a screenshot along with the code L237. Send us on 733 733 7000. And this saree overall look okasari chuseddam, especially pallu, so beautiful. Another saree, white color, Gadwal cotton, here hand painted florals with butterflies, silk border, contrast with dollar booties and kaddi, and beautiful dollar booties pallu contrast. Blouse, running blouse. This is the blouse. And this saree pricing and details, 12,150. Take a screenshot along with the code Q171. Send us on 733 733 7000. And let's see this pretty saree with beautiful art weave and a very lovely weave. Radha Krishna with beautiful peacocks and tree with very pretty florals. It's a completely Jamdani weave. Another saree, it's a patola cotton, very lovely pink and green color, dual tone, blue and green along mixed shades of cross diamonds, cross checks with florals, diamond florals, and beautiful diamond border. Pallu, diamond border along with the plain stripes. Blouse, self plain with border. And the saree price 4860. Code వచ్చేసి Q173. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 Another sari. Lovely beige color. Khadi sari with all over kalamkari hand painted. Beautiful peacocks and fine sleeves and border plain contrast with pink edge. Pallu contrast with lines and booties. Blouse plain with buttas with border, and is sari price 7560. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 700. Another sari. Brown color. Khadi. Plain sari. Border is contrast, silk border with tricolor along with the temples. Pallu, rich kaddi pallu. Blouse, contrast, plain with border. And the sari pricing and details 10,710. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 700. Another sari. Yeah, lovely maroon color khadi sari with white and green silk border with temples, contrast border. Pallu all over Jamni floral vines, leaves and flowers. Blouse plain self color with border. You can go for contrast colors like green or half white. Both looks amazing on this. And these sari pricing and details 11,061. Take a screenshot along with the code D589. Send us on 733 733 700. Another sari. Light grey with pink combination. All over kalamkari florals. Beautiful peacocks. Everything is hand painted. Contrast border. Pink color. Pallu. Self color with buttas and lines, thread lines. Blouse self with buttas and border. And the sari price 5,940. Take a screenshot along with the code Q160. Send us on 733 733 700. Very beautiful. Another sari, mustard color, khadi cotton. Upper side we got orange color, downside we got red color border, silk border with lines and temples. In the middle we got orange thread lines, checks. All over body we got checks. And this is the pallu, rich kaddi pallu. Blouse same color, running blouse with border. And this sari pricing and details 20,050 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code Q98. Send us on 733 733 700. Another sari, black and burnt orange, plain black, border is contrast burnt color with diamonds, thread diamond brocade. Pallu, rich kadi lines. Blouse, running blouse, self plain with border. And the saree price and details 4662. Take a screenshot along with the code Q88. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, lovely mustard and maroon, lovely khadi cotton, all over hand painted butterflies, stems and florals, plain silk border with temples. Pallu, contrast with stripes, zari lines, thread lines, mustard color. Beautiful contrast plain blouse with border. Awesome undandi. Very lovely. And the saree pricing and details 5850. Take a screenshot along with the code O107. Very pretty. Another saree, half white khadi cotton, cream color, all over star booties with yellow and purple color star booties, and lovely kadi border with edge contrast blue color, and lovely pallu, rich kadi pallu with beautiful florals. Everything is in jamdani weave, and blouse, running blouse, plain with border, self color. You can go for blue color blouse. Color చాలా బాగుంటుంది. And ఈ saree price 9270. Take a screenshot along with the code Q91. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, patola cotton, which is in grey color, all over checks with lovely florals, huge patola booties, typical patola weave, and lovely border with diamonds and lines, thread lines. And this is the pallu, diamonds and thread borders. Blouse, self plain with border. And the saree price and details 4860. Take a screenshot along with the code Q114. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another saree. Beautiful khadi cotton with mushrooms and lotus, hand painted florals with stems. Beautiful kadi border with edge contrast. Pallu, rich kadi pallu. Blouse, self plain with border. And the saree price 5400. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's move to the mannequin sarees and their prices, then back to our collection. And a beautiful saree, very pretty saree, beige color, all over printed florals with rich kadi border. And very lovely kadi pallu. And this saree pricing and details 5940. Take a screenshot along with the code O110. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's talk about this blouse. The stunning and gorgeous blouse is from our brand R for Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandir. Very unique designs we have. Very pretty. Dana and sequence work. Very lovely. And ilanti blouses kosam contact our brand. Another saree. Yellow color. Khadi. Yellow and pink. Yellow plain with silk border, pink color with temples, complete Jamdani weave with heart-shaped booties, florals, and lovely pallu, rich kaddi border, superb only, very pretty pallu. And this saree pricing and details 10,980. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2373. Send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah, another beautiful saree, lovely khadi, very pretty frontal lotus and silk border andi. We got silk plain border and we got double contrast borders. It's a purple color, it's a blue color, it's a purple. We got thread weave in it. It's complete silk thread weave. Beautiful pallu, rich kaddi pallu. It's a pure khadi and the saree price. So lovely, fantastic, 31,500. Take a screenshot along with the code Q161. Send us on 733 733 7000. And look at this gorgeous blouse. Very lovely blouse. This is from our brand, Afa Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. And this is the neck. Complete silver zardosi, beautiful blouse. And for customized blouses and beautiful wedding sarees, contact our brand for customized blouses and wedding sarees ki ma Brand Mandir ko cheyandi. And it's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Pedama Temple. And one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. Ippadi varaku nenu చూయించిన collections of the saree. Let's have a quick view. If you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now. And some more sarees here. Very pretty saree. Beautiful sarees. I love this saree. Saree nak baga nachindi. And this black also too good. These patola cottons. చూసారు కదండి వాళ్ళ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సమ్మర్ మిక్స్డ్ కాటన్స్, ప్యూర్ కాటన్స్, ఖాదీస్, గద్వాల్స్ and some patola cottons. Very lovely and lightweight collection. If you liked any saree, just take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option also. And this live video will be saved in Instagram, IGTV, Facebook as well as YouTube. So within 24 hours మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఈ sarees book చేసుకోవచ్చండి. రేపు మళ్ళీ live లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Love you all.